Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create the boomerang effect in CapCut. It's very simple, so without further ado, let's get started. First, import the video clip you want to turn into a boomerang. Next, tap or click on the video clip in your timeline. Now trim the clip to the exact section you want to use for the boomerang effect. Short clips usually work best. Now take copy of the trimmed clip that you want for boomerang effect. Just click on Layer and then Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to paste. After that, look for the reverse option and let CapCut finish reversing the clip. Once the reverse version is created, place it immediately after the original clip on the timeline. This will make the video play forward and then backward, creating the classic boomerang effect. You can preview the result and make any final adjustments before exporting your video. And that's it. That's how to create a boomerang effect in CapCut. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.